Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add devices in SignalRGB. One thing I figured out pretty quickly while using SignalRGB is that adding devices is less plug-and-play magic and more please survive the RGB software battle royale. Before anything else, check if your device is actually supported. Open the SignalRGB website, head into supported devices, and choose the category you're trying to connect, whether that's a mousepad, keyboard, GPU, fans, or something else glowing aggressively on your desk. After that, match both the brand and exact model number because Signal RGB can be very specific. If the model is supported and already connected to your PC, it usually appears automatically in the app. The other huge thing is conflicts. Go into Settings, then Conflicts, enable automatic closing of conflicting programs. Apps like IQ, Armory Crate, or Mystic Light love hijacking RGB control like they're competing the custody for your LEDs. Once those are disabled, your device should finally appear under Devices. From there, you can rename it, tweak effects, customize lighting, or spend the next hour pretending your mousepad absolutely needed a synchronized lighting storm animation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.